And this is Slashshot. So over the last few days, I've been farming the special event reward items. So in this special event, we collect a few interesting items, which will be used as currency to collect rewards. And I think you need something like 700 or so of each to get most of the important ones, assuming you don't care about bond seed, bond flowers, because you have guild medals to take care of those. I also do not care about skin voucher, but I did include the Vargas special skin in this cost assessment. Okay, so right now we're going to gamble on the headgear, the weapon, well, not gamble, but draw our luck, armor, and accessory. We shall start by accessory. Alright, please wish me good luck. Holy Grail. Wait, what is Holy Grail? I have to double check this. Interesting. And we will get armor. Please give me last rights. Oh my god! Oh my god! We got last rights, finally! Holy shit! Sorry for being very loud. I am very excited. I almost jumped out of my chair. Yes! Yes! Our wish came true. Okay. Then give me a Ragnarok as well then. Give me Ragnarok or Peacemaker or Miracle Staff, please! Come on! Oh well. We don't need this at this point. Okay, let's give us King's Crown. King's Crown. King's Crown. Oh, we got garbage. But last rights alone was definitely worth it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe we actually got it. That's incredible. That's just incredible. Wow. Amazing. Simply amazing. Okay, so we got what we wanted for now, and we will be spending money to get gold, the Vargas shard, and then more gold, more Vargas shard. We might need some muscle strengthening selection material, Aniki workout machine. I think we need a little bit to upgrade our flyer training. We still need the golden ones, the golden flyer item. We will be getting all the rare enchant gift packs. We'll get all the Trinity voucher. We'll get the gold, Vargas shards again. We don't need this. We will get a Nikki treasure collection for sure. We don't need epic crafting hammer. And we will need the bursting heart keys as well as the ruin stone. Okay, fantastic. This is good. This is great. Let's actually double check what Holy Grail does before we finish this video. Where is Holy Grail? Huh. One block adjacent to you after. Okay, it's not as good. This condition is too strict. Huh. Yeah. Not as good. But last rights, man. Last rights. Shit, yeah. Wow. So many people need last rights. All the flyer, assassin, archer, arguably also the tanky Lestel build, juggler, like all need last rights. We need to get multiple copies of this. This is our very first last rights, and we're very happy. Thank you for watching. Slashshot out.